At Roast, you'll hear a lot of this and see a lot of that. The Metro's newest locally owned coffee shop is quite different from other coffee experiences.
Everybody has those third places, which I guess the layman's terms would be kind of like that cheers place. Everyone knows your name, everyone's really happy to see you, and it's genuine.
The experience is the experience at Roast. Customers aren't treated like customers. Here, they're family.
Our goal is super boiled down to welcoming everybody who comes in. So no matter what their background, everyone is super welcome to come here. It's a centralized location in Omaha, so we have a diverse group.
Employees tell me that coffee is definitely the difference at Roast.
A good part of the magic sauce and why our coffee is so particularly delicious is because it's roasted locally and all of it is within a week. It's super fresh.
Roast isn't just looking to change the coffee scene in Omaha. The company wants to expand to make Roast something this market doesn't have.
Roast Coffee's location in the heart of Ak-Sar-Ben Village, just across the street from Baxter Arena, is surrounded by the bar and nightlife scene. But the local coffee joint looks to establish a nightlife culture of its own here in the coming months.
I have a huge background in casual fine dining, and that is absolutely what I love to do. So to be able to put together a wine list that's going to be amazing, delicious, approachable, not intimidating, is going to be my challenge.
For the Omaha News, I'm Sam Murphy.